What's the meaning of county town? County town. County town.
County town. County town. County town refers to the administrative center of a county, where the governing body of the county is located and where important institutions such as courthouses and government offices are also present. Essentially, it serves as the hub of public services for the surrounding county area and is where many important decisions regarding the management of the county are made. County towns tend to be larger than other settlements within the same county, due to their importance and centrality. They are often steeped in history and have many interesting features and attractions for visitors to explore.